Welcome to JH. Pelvini.com is an online store claiming to sell luxury-inspired watches at prices that won't make your bank account weep. But the big question is whether Pelvini is a legitimate business or just another digital mousetrap waiting to snap. Let's break it down together and try to keep your expectations as low as their manufacturing costs. First, let's talk about those glowing reviews. On their own website, Pelvini boasts a near-perfect 4.9 stars based on over 6,500 reviews. That sounds like a miracle, or more likely, a very busy creative writing department. When we checked real user discussions on Reddit, the story was predictably different. Most users claim Pelvini isn't trustworthy at all, pointing out that these luxury watches are actually cheap, mass-produced Chinese models found on Temu or Shine for a fraction of the price. It's a classic dropshipping setup where the only thing premium is the markup. Beyond the questionable quality, there are some serious technical red flags. Pelvini.com was registered in January 2025, making it so new it still has that freshly launched scam smell. Newly minted sites like this usually lack a track record and often disappear the moment the complaints outweigh the profits. To make matters worse, their product images appear to be lazily copied from across the internet. Nothing says, "We are a real brand," quite like using stock photos you found on Google Images because you don't actually have the inventory in hand. The lack of transparency continues with their About Us section, or lack thereof. We searched for a founder, a team, or even a basic company history, but found absolutely nothing. It's as if the brand was created by ghosts who really like mediocre watches. Legitimate businesses usually share this info to build trust. But when a company is this anonymous, accountability becomes a total mystery. If something goes wrong, you're left with a basic contact form and an email address that likely leads straight to a black hole. So is Pelvini.com legit? Based on the mountain of red flags, including fake reviews, copied images, and zero transparency, the answer is a resounding no. Pelvini appears to be nothing more than an overpriced reseller. Our advice is to proceed with extreme caution, or better yet, avoid them entirely unless you enjoy throwing money away. Thanks for watching till the end. If this reality check helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and updates.